Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another C-drama video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the best underrated high school or college C-dramas that you should consider to watch right now. I have already made a video on this particular topic where I have covered basically all the top dramas of this genre like Love O2O, A Love So Beautiful, The Cop De Podre, The Love Equation, Skating to Love, etc. etc. If you wanna watch this video, just click the I button above. So in this video, I have come up with a list of top 10 dramas that I have compiled for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At number 10, Rush to the Dead Summer. This 46 episode C drama follows Licia, played by Jen Swang when she enters a prestigious art school. Licia is poor, quiet and sensible, but she stands up for her friends. She befriends the top two guys in her year group, Lu Jiang and Fu Xiaoxi, and captures both their hearts. This drama follows mainly this trio from the moment they start high school till 10 years after, depicting their struggles and achievements as well as their growth with the love and life and hopes and dreams. At number 9, When We Were Young. When We Were Young revolves around twin sisters. One is adopted and raised by a wealthy mom, whereas the other is adopted by a single father. One twist of fate leads them switching identities, while one suffers from amnesia and the other is using her sister identity to solve the mysteries around the cause of her sister's disappearance and amnesia. At number 8, Master Devil Do Not Kiss Me. Anchusia loses her mom and ends up in the custody of Hansi Lu's family, who is very rich. They help her attend the same prestigious high school as Hansi Lu. Their people call him Master Devil, and no one dares oppose him. He makes her life very difficult as she tries to adapt to her new life. A typical high school romance, but the chemistry between the leads really drives it. It has some quirky humor that makes it a fun watch. Episodes are only 15 minutes long. On the bad side, conflicts are really weak and purely driven by jealousy and rich kids with too much time on their hand. In other words, pretty typical. The show feels like it combined a lot of popular mangas and in the end, it works. At number 7, Suddenly 17. Back to the 17-year-old high school campus, Liang Xia and Mao Liang were 28 and after facing a discussion, they found themselves again 10 years back, thus facing again the life on campus out of the blue. Liang Xia wanted to live as an adolescent no worries and Mao Liang's adult thinking. But even so, the two frequently made happy moments in the struggle after the ridiculous contradictions. They were determined to change the fate of the people around to help everyone find a positive direction in the life. This is a school life romance drama with full of comedic scenes. At number 6, My Little Princess. When you are trying to win over your Prince Charming, can you find him in an unexpected place? Ling Xingcheng is an heiress of a wealthy family but faces pressure to marry well because of her illegitimate status. Her target, the suave and wealthy Zheng Shuyao, a fellow student at the elite art school known as Four Leaf College. But due to a number of misunderstandings, she at first mistakes the brooding Jiang Nian Yu as Shu Yao and tries to get his attention. But when she realizes she got the wrong man, she keeps running into him in the most compromising ways, and after that she learns he is the only person who can help her to get her Prince Charming. Can Niayu teach Xing Chen to tango right into Chu Yao's heart, or will she discover that her destiny is with someone else? At number 5, My Sunshine. Zhao Mo Seng is a university student with a sunny disposition. She is smart and has a positive personality. Upon their first meeting, she fell in love with Hei Shen, one of the top students from law faculty. However, his poor communication skills, just like mine, makes her depart sadly for overseas. 7 years later, when she returns home and spots him immediately in a crowded supermarket, will the two college sweethearts be able to reunite? At number 4, With You. When Zhen Zheng enters Jinhua High School, she is seated next to the top student Yu Huai. While she is struggling with homework and exams, she suddenly also gets a new mom and younger brother. After entering high school, however, her lonely life comes to an end. With new friends on her side, especially Yu Huai, she lives through the 3 years till graduation. Suddenly after graduation, the boy she came to like disappears. When she meets Yu Huai again, will she choose the love she could never forget, or will she choose Lu Xingyi who also persuaded her for all these years? At number 3, Where the Lost Ones Go. It tells the story of the first love of a young art student which led to a lifetime of unforgettable love. Yezi, a major in Chinese art painting, and Xiang Zei, a major in oil painting, met and fall in love in college. However, Yezi was heartbroken when Xiang Zei suddenly left without a word. Years later, Yezi became a famous manga illustrator. In hope of getting back together again, Xiang Zei come back with a confession of what happened and why he had to leave. How will Yezi decide? At number 2, My Huckleberry Friends. On the first day of primary school, Yo Zhao Zhao falls down and thus gets to know a guy named Lin Yang. Lin Yang helps her adapt to school and the two becomes friends. Later rumors spread and Lin Yang's parents requests of their son to stay away from Zhao Zhao. Having to deal with Lin Yang drifting apart from her, Zhao Zhao learns how to feign indifference. When entering high school, Zhao Zhao escapes from Lin Yang and her other former classmates and can finally breathe again. In the end, she manages to get into Zhenhua High School. However, at Zhenhua, Zhao Zhao meets again Lin Yang. Zhao Zhao doesn't know whether to be happy or sad. Several hardships await Zhao Zhao and Lin Yang during their high school time, which leads them to grow up. Will the two be able to find back to each other in the process? At number 1, When We Were Young, a nostalgic story that revolves around the high school students during the year 1996. While chasing down a bike thief during the summer, Yangtze gets injured by a lab explosion that renders her unable to compete in a long distance run. When schools open, she realizes that the culprit behind her misfortune has transferred to her class and has even taken her position as class president. He is Hua Bion, a hot-blooded, rough and gifted genius of the science department. Hu Biao's arrival immediately puts his classmate on guard and he must prove himself to be accepted by the class. Later on, they go through lots of ups and downs in the life. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this underrated high school C-drama list, and if I have forget to mention any of your favorite C-drama, just feel free to comment down below. And if you have watched the video till now, just give a thumbs up to the video and don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is also right in front of you. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2 love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.